In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a schedule in Notion. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can leave with a clean, reliable system you can use every day. First, open Notion and click the plus, add a page button in your sidebar. Give your page a clear name, like My Schedule, so you can find it quickly later. This page will act as the home for everything related to your time, from meetings to focused work. Keeping it in one place makes it easier to review and stick to your plan. Next, add a calendar. Inside your new page, type /calendar and choose Calendar View. This inserts a new database in a calendar layout, which means every event you add is a structured item you can edit, move, and reuse. The calendar will adjust as you add details, and you can open any entry to see more options. Now let's configure a few helpful properties. Click into any calendar item to open its page. In the Properties section, add a date property. Use this to set start and end times or make multi-day spans for conferences or vacations. If you prefer all-day blocks, you can toggle off specific times and just keep the dates. Add a select property to label what kind of item it is. Common labels are meeting, deep work, or personal. Assign colors that make sense to you so you can scan your week at a glance and understand how your time is divided. Clear labels also make it easier to keep similar tasks together. Add a checkbox property and call it done. As you complete an item, tick the box to mark it finished. This gives you a lightweight sense of progress without having to delete anything, which is useful when you want a record of what happened. For a more focused view, switch from the monthly calendar to a weekly layout. Click the three-dot menu in the top right. Go to Layout. Then under Show Calendar As, choose Week. The weekly view helps you focus on what's immediately ahead and makes time blocking more manageable. That's it, your Notion schedule is ready. You created a dedicated page, added a calendar database, set up practical properties, and switched to a weekly view for focus. Keep using the same page daily, and your plan will stay current without extra effort. Thanks for watching.